In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to revolve a sketch in Fusion 360 to create complex 3D geometry with ease. Whether you are a beginner just starting out with CAD or an experienced designer looking for a refresher, the Revolve tool is one of the most fundamental and powerful commands in the entire software. It allows you to transform simple, flat drawings into symmetrical three-dimensional parts in just a few clicks. This method is perfect for creating pulleys, wheels, bottles, shafts, and any other circular or cylindrical objects. If this video helps you out with your design project today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more Fusion 360 tutorials. To get things moving, let's jump right into the software and get started. First, we need to begin with a drawing, so go ahead and create a sketch. You will want to pick a plane that aligns with the orientation of your final part. Once you are in the sketching environment, the next step is to draw a profile shape. Think of this as a cross-section of your final object. For example, if you want a cylinder, you would draw a simple rectangle. For a cone, you would draw a right-angled triangle. It is important to remember that we are only drawing half of the shape relative to the center, as the rotation will complete the rest. While you are still in the sketch, we need to create an axis. Draw a vertical or horizontal line that will act as the stationary axis of rotation. This line can be part of your profile, or a separate construction line positioned at a specific distance to create an opening or a hole in the middle. Once your profile and axis are ready, click on Finish Sketch in the top right corner to return to the 3D workspace. Now let's turn this 2D geometry into a solid. Open the Revolve tool by going to the Create menu and selecting Revolve from the drop-down list. You will see a small dialog box appear on the right side of your screen. The first thing Fusion needs to know is what you want to spin, so click the sketch profile you want to revolve. If you have multiple shapes, make sure to select all the closed loops that should be part of the solid. Next, you need to select the axis. Click on the Select button in the dialog box, and then choose the line we drew earlier to serve as the rotation axis. You will immediately see a 3D preview of your part. Now we need to set the angle. By default, it might be set to partial, so enter 360 degrees if you want to create a full solid circular shape. You can also experiment with different angles, like 90 or 180 degrees if you only need a portion of the rotation. Finally, when you are happy with the preview and all your settings are correct, click OK. Fusion 360 will process the math and create a solid 3D body by rotating your profile around that central axis. It really is that simple to create high-quality geometry. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Happy designing, and I will see you in the next tutorial.